Today's video, we're going to be having a Shaverage and doing an unboxing. Like the sounds of that? Stay tuned. Let's get into this parcel. Greetings, friends. Welcome back to my kitchen with me, J-Mac, the Red Island Shaver. And yes, I got some shave mail. This is from Top of the Chain in Ontario, Canada. And let's get into this. This is some PAA goodness. And going to use this nice weapon here to unbox this. Nice sharp knife. And let's get into this. Really looking forward to what is in this box. One of the things is a soap set I have not had in the den for quite some time, and it's one of my all-time favorite scents. So very, very happy to have it. And there will be a shave video. I will put the shave video out later on this evening. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. The beverage today is good old Dr. Pepper. You know, Dr. Pepper a day keeps the other doctor away, and you can trust these guys because they're doctors. Isn't that right? That's how it goes, isn't it? I think so. All right, so let's see what we got in here. Lots of packing peanuts, so I gotta be careful with those. Gotta keep them away from my kitty, because my cat is stupid and she likes to eat them. All right, there's one item. I'm just gonna pull all these out and then we will unwrap them all. I think that'd be the easiest way to go about doing that. And we get that one. Should be 4 items in here. We get some candies. Those could have came handy last night when I was practically dying from a diabetic episode. Blood sugars went low. Gotta love when that happens, eh? Got to love when that happens. All right, hide that over there. Don't think there's anything else in the box. No, there is not. All right, perfect. So first item we have is the cube. That's right. I finally got a PAA cube as my cat comes over to say hello. Hello, cat. So yes, the Cube 2.0, the original Cube. I think this is the 2.0. Pretty sure it's the 2.0. I don't even know how you open this, and I don't have any glasses. Oh, there we go. I don't have my glasses on. And there we go. I did not get the dry dock for it. I wanted to, but budgetary issues. But actually, I have a bowl. I think that'll just sit right in right nicely. If not, I can find a tray or something for that. Not a big deal. So let's go over to this item. Better get the knife out again. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. As you can tell, it's gonna be a very nice day here. It's actually not snowing for a change. That's nice. But Mother Nature is like, yeah, no, we'll give you a day off without snow, but more tomorrow, because Mother Nature doesn't like us here very much. I'm not really a big fan of her right now either. So what do we have here? We have the dry dock and alum system. Yes, I don't use alum for my aftershave. Like, I don't use alum to check my feedback on the shave, but I wanted this specifically just for straight razor shaving, so I can get some alum on the fingers, and it comes with the rubber band for grip too. So that's very cool. Sits right there in the special sponge. Very, very nice. And then, yeah, we got a soap set, and yes, one of my favorite soap sets of all time. That's CAD, also known as Cease and Desist. Oh, God. Oh, I haven't smelt this in like a year. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. So good. I cannot wait to use this today. And then let's get into this. Into this bubble wrapped goodness. I had to wait for this to come into stock. First, I was waiting on the Cube to come in stock, and then that came in stock, and then this went out of stock, and then it came back in stock. Thank God. Smell the bag. I don't smell anything, which is good. That's what you want. And there you go. the CAD aftershave and cologne. Can't wait to try this. My original CAD sets came with balm. I had the older ones, and very excited to try this splash. So that's it for the Shaverage and unboxing. That's some nice PAA goodies, and that's what we're going to roll with. So I'll let you guys go. Hope you have a great day, and we're going to catch you later on for the shave. So until that time, be safe, be kind to one another, and have a great day to even better shave. And we'll see you later. Peace.